Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. What's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is July the 25th, 2021. We're going to talk about Bitcoin, try to tell you all where the price is going to go so that we can continue to dominate the cryptocurrency space and that we can win. This is what we're all about. We don't care about any other type of major news to come out. We don't care about major protocol, major advancements, smart contracts, whatever the case may be, because you cannot put a price on those particular type of items, right? The only thing that we focus in on is the price and where price is going to go. So if you guys want to join us, the doors are open because we take that real serious. We're not here to play. We're here to make sure that we maintain profitability and grab the bag from the trap. That's it. So if you guys want to join us, you can hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel, because you guys can tell from our last price prediction in the market for Bitcoin, we told everyone on that particular day to expect the price to go lower. You can see it for yourself. The price in Bitcoin did in fact go lower, and we wasn't extremely bearish. We told everyone that, you know, you want to eye in around this area of support around $30,000. That's where we had our ultimate area of TP. Now that video was conducted or produced on July the 14th. So we got about 7.98% out the market in Bitcoin right there on July the 20th. So from July the 14th to July the 20th, 6 days of trading, we got that 7.98% out the market right before the market in Bitcoin shot up to higher prices. It's just that simple. Okay. So now let me take that away, because we are an organization, a team, a community of people that always try to get ahead of the game. We need to beat everyone else to these prices so that we can win. So let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick. Obviously, the last couple of days, yeah, we've seen the price of Bitcoin go higher. That's pretty good, right? For us to actually see Bitcoin's price move from $30,000 and go up there towards $35,000 now. We're tapping the door right now at that $35,000 price in Bitcoin. Now let's not get complacent, right? Let's not get overhyped, because you will see some videos out there trying to pump you up, saying that Bitcoin is going up to $60,000 and $50,000, whatever the case may be. But we're not even there yet. We need to be calm. We need to be, get our scruples together to make sure that we don't become overreactive to these price movements that occurs on a day-to-day basis. So let's look at Bitcoin real quick on a 3-day time frame then. This is the 3-day. And the market so far in Bitcoin is definitely exhibiting to us that the price wants to go higher. We're not going to pull any strings. If it shows us that the price wants to go higher, we'll tell everyone in our team that. And so far, that is what that 3-day price bar is exhibiting, that the price wants to go higher in Bitcoin. But this doesn't mean that we're ready to shoot up like a rocket though. But yeah, we can still see some strength though, and we can play that to our benefit to where we can win in the market. Let's take a look at the market in Bitcoin on a 5-day then. This is the 5-day time frame right there. And again, when you see on a different time frame strength coming into the market, not only on the 3-day, we're seeing it on the 5-day time frame too. So that tells us that the continuation of strength is definitely being seen based off the price bars. That's all you need. You don't need to have any indicators, because they are pointless. They are lagging. You don't have to spend any expensive software, charting software, to think that you're going to get an edge in the market, because it doesn't benefit you there neither. The only thing that you need is price bars and volume. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. 5-day time frame in Bitcoin looks good. So now let's finish this off with the weekly time frame. Okay, look at the weekly time frame. So again, what do you all think? Are we seeing strength or weakness into the market in Bitcoin? One of the positive things that I'm seeing here on the weekly time frame is that the trap, the one you see on the bottom left side of my screen, he is willing to continue to hold support on our support line. That also within itself tells us that this price is not overly weak or oppressive to where we're about to collapse. Not yet. At least we can expect the price in Bitcoin to maintain its trading within these two lines, right? Now there's a midpoint within these two lines that the market in Bitcoin is finding restriction, and it's pretty close. I mean, we're around $34,450 right now. That restriction area is literally around $35,100, almost $36,000. We have to be careful of that. I want to plug you all on that because the price can literally go back down once Bitcoin touches that price. Be careful. Let's look at the market in Bitcoin, the monthly, real quick, since we got 6 days left so far. The market in Bitcoin is simply telling us off of the monthly time frame from June with July. We're seeing people coming to the market willing to buy Bitcoin at cheaper prices. They're comfortable with buying Bitcoin around $30,000 because if it wasn't, these price bars from June and July, we've seen the market close on the low of these price bars, but the price hasn't done that. So people are finding this price level very attractive. Now, let's keep this in mind though. Throughout 2021, we can still see Bitcoin come all the way down here to that ascending line. So if you're in this play for a very long time, you want to keep your eye out for this price in Bitcoin to come all the way down here and test $20,000 throughout 2021. But if you're looking in just to grab some profit, not to stay in the store long, yeah, we could play some strength right now. Okay. So now let me take this back over to the daily. Like I said, we're seeing strength into the market off of the 5-day as well as on the 3-day time frame, right? Now, I told you we need to be careful right here around $35,500, give or take, towards 36. We have to be careful because the price can come back down once it hits those levels. So I don't want everyone to come in and be all surprised when the market of Bitcoin goes lower from those prices. I'm trying to give you the heads up now that that can happen. And we need to be on guard of that because the trap literally had issues. Let me show you. I'm going to show it to you. Okay. This is where the trap had issues the last time trying to break price above $36,000, right? You guys can see it right there. So as we approach this price level again, we need to see strength in order for us to feel comfortable and understand that the market's going to go above $36,000. We have to, because if we don't, we need to grab the bag there and get out the store because the market's going to go back down, right? So now let me show you this on the 5-day, because on the 5-day time frame, it's very strong. Like this last completed 5-day price bar in Bitcoin is definitely showing us that the price wants to go higher. Okay. And that's how we're going to play. I'm looking for the price in Bitcoin to possibly come up towards like 38,000, nothing too much, nothing too strenuous, but we can definitely see that occur over the next 5 days. Okay. Weekly time frame is definitely something feasible that we can see happen as well. Okay. So that's it. We're going to play the strength into the market in Bitcoin. I like the fact that the price was able to maintain support a little bit higher off our support line of 30,000. So I'm going to bring it up here just a tad towards $31,150. Okay. So this is the play right here. You guys can tell we're not being overly bullish, but we're going to anticipate higher prices. So now I want to know what you all think. This is the play. This is where we're anticipating the price to go in Bitcoin right before the market price gets there. Nobody else is going to give you this type of prediction on the charts. We're ahead of everyone else. This is how you're able to win in this space. So now let me know. You're part of our team, part of our community. Drop the comment in the comment section and tell everyone where do you expect the market price in Bitcoin to be in the next 7 days. In 7 days, you got to learn how to do this for yourself, because the better you try, the more you practice, the better you become, and you won't be dependent on someone else to try to give you the play. You can do this for yourself. So let us know. Drop us a comment in the comment section. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, I will see you all on the next video.